Meaning of hubcap.
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 Hubcap. A hubcap, also known as a wheel cover, is a decorative disc that covers the central portion of a vehicle's wheel. The primary function of a hubcap is to improve the overall appearance of a vehicle and protect the wheel hub and lug nuts from damage. Hubcaps are typically made from plastic or metal and come in a variety of designs and finishes. They are easily removable and replaceable, making them a popular option for vehicle customization. Hubcaps can be seen on all types of vehicles, from cars to trucks to motorcycles.